guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for stopping by once more. I will be showing you guys how to desiccate a coconut, and desiccated coconut can be used for many different things. Alright guys, so I am going to give you guys the step-by-step. Please like this video, please share, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so as yet. Alright guys, let's hop into the video. First things first. So you chop the coconut. Well, as we Jamaicans say, you ups the coconut. You remove the black part, the black outer part of the coconut, and you basically cut it up. Load them in your blender. Load them in. And no, you don't add any water. No water. Then we're just gonna blend this. Alright guys, so here you have it. Blend as much as you can. Ensure that your blender is powerful. And the next step is basically to pour this in a skillet, and that's how it becomes desiccated. So let me show you guys this step. There you have it.